London got our braces today. Stop trying to hide behind Daddy. We in the international store. Daddy's favorite aisle. I got him on an $80 budget in here, y'all.
Yeah, she not trying to let me spend.
Nope, $80 budget
No,
today.
you're not getting one on
That, you know, he come right here first, and then the meat to get his oxtails. But this is where we get our oyster sauce, like our Korean sauces.
Let's get a big ball.
Oh dang, he about to just upsize it. Y'all see this? Okay, it's the same size.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm about to run out of space. I really don't have a lot of storage on here right now. So I came in here to get my mussels. This is the one place that I can get my green lip mussels from. And then I had a taste for some crabs. I was contemplating them for a second to then cook them at home. So we'll see once we get over here. Y'all, I bet you he over here looking at these dang oxtails. But they have plenty of meat in here. This is another place where you can find cheaper meat. So if you have an international store in your area, the meat selection is a lot better. Excuse me. What y'all looking at? You about to get for who, Bobby? How much is that?
$2.
Okay, yeah.
$3.
Okay. See what I'm saying, y'all? You can get better deals and for bulkier prices. Oh, he gonna try to
Chicken legs for $4.
I know. That's why we need to come in here for the meats.
Well, we can get her some beef out of here for the beef. We kind of cheap.
Look, he in here talking about Bobby trying to
chicken.
No, he only saying that so he can increase his budget. And this is where he gets the short ribs. So when we be grilling, no, back up,
Stop.
back up. No,
Stop.
no, this is not a part of your budget today, y'all. I'm trying to be real. Come on, man. No.
Oh, man.
I said no.
Stop. Don't
said
do
no.
that. Let me get something.
No. I
Yeah,
said
I'm gonna get something.
no. I said $80. Y'all see these short ribs? The short ribs are $17, $18 by yourself. This is your budget right here. If you get 2 pots. You're not. Not today. Not today. I'm following you around the store. Okay. Oh, they don't really have a lot of. I said I was gonna get some curry goat the next time.
I know, right? Do they have any?
Oh, why I got all that brown on it, that green stuff? These don't look as fresh. They normally have the whole freezer like to the top. This is the least I've seen in here ever. Maybe it's a shortage going on, but they normally look like this, bright red like this. No.
Yes, it is.
Why they don't look bright red like this, like they normally would?
Oh, and that's fresh. They must have just made those bags.
That's the one we want. And he still ended up with them bag of oxtails. Oh, he grabbed one.
I grabbed one.
Oh, he grabbed.
What's that over there? That goat?
Oh, yeah, I want some goat, but not today, though. I'll come back and get it. This is lamb. Oh, here go the goat. Y'all, goat meat is so good. Some curry goat like you would get at the Jamaican restaurant. Yes, that's all I get is the curry goat. Daddy loves oxtails. I love curry goat. I like oxtails too, but my go-to is some curry goat. And then they also have, you know, silverware, those big pots. I don't see any up there, but one of those big jumbo pots that we have in the house, we got it out of here. Not this one, but a international store. Let me see if I can find them, because you cannot get these everywhere. You cannot buy these out the grocery store, so you have to come to a specialty store to get these. So these are like the small ones. I'm not looking for those. Oh, here they go. Excuse me. And it looks like the price that went up. They are $16 now. They used to be $11.99. But these are so good. So like when you go get your seafood boils, these are the ones I like to get in my boil versus the black ones. And then I said the next time I come in here, I was going to get a bag of these squid rings to make some like bang bang cauliflower. I meant to make some bang bang calamari. So I think I may get these. How much are these? $7.49. And then these are $16.99. They didn't went up $5. And then these are the live crabs. I thought about getting some crabs today, but okay. Yeah. And they also have like the fresh fish, the whiting. Hold on. They have some fresh oysters right here. So these are $2.29 a pound. In the other store, you can get them for $1. So that's why I still like jumbos, because you can get those oysters for $1 each. You want to get some crabs? I did get some crabs. Yogurt. You really needed me to come over here with you to get some yogurt. What kind of yogurt, Leonard? I'm not about to spend no $5 on no little specialty yogurt right now, okay? We can get this out of Giant. Some things you don't have to buy out of here because they are a little bit more pricier. Like, these are $1.19. You can get one of these out of Giant for like 80 cents. But go ahead and grab it since we in here because you need something soft anyway. Since she just got her braces. Let me see them braces. Y'all, she been waiting forever to get these braces. Like, since she was about 5 years old. So now it's time for her to actually get them. Not for cosmetic purposes, of course, but, you know, to be able to fix her teeth. So they have a wide variety of shrimp. Oh, you know what I do need for that bang bang shrimp? I do need some, what do I need? Some sriracha. Some sriracha sauce, some mayonnaise. Thick sweet chili sauce. I don't know. Let me get back over here to Daddy because I need to see what he over here buying. What you get?
Sea bass. And I got a number 3 style.
I'm cleaning it for you. No, you're not. Come on. I'm literally running away from him in the store, y'all. Let's go. Talk about some, ooh, it's a lot of new stuff in here. Not today. Don't split the pole. Try again another day. Stop playing with me. Oh. Hey, poop it. I'm gonna.
That look big.
Put it down. I'm going to stir right now. He throws the stuff up there.
Hello. Yes, please. Can you double the heavy bag? You don't got the other bag? It's just those? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking at you. Don't be smiling.
Why you trying to put my purse on the thing? What are you doing?
Yeah, happy.
I know.
He's too happy in the store. That's the problem.
It's goodies.
Who happened? Can you go give me the sweet chili oil for sauce real quick?
Huh?
Like this one, the sweet chili sauce. Hurry up. You see this? Over budget.
While we running through the store.
That's why he running through the store. And bird saying. It's not funny. It's really not. You was on sanction.